I mean, lighter is one of our key topics in general with our insulation, as we work with very fine microfiber, so 9 kilometers of that fiber, that's just 1 gram, so it's very light. The lighter or the thinner the material is, the more air is trapped in between. So this means you can go with a much thinner insulation with achieving the same warmth. And this helps you that the material is much more packable and way lightweighter. So in the past it was really like, okay, cold winter I need a thick and warm insulation, and in summer I don't need that at all. That was the past, like 5 years ago. And then some customers really took like carryover styles from the winter collections into the summer collections. And now we see specific design styles for the summer collections, if that's in outdoor, if that's in trekking, if that's for traveling, if that's for running, if that's for mountain biking, road cycling, with partial solutions. We see a lot of hybrid solutions where you, for example, according to comfort mapping, body zoning, they really have like insulation in the front, but where you have high ventilation in the back, or stretch panels under the sleeves and on the sides. So a lot of innovative constructions. On the one hand side, it's application, but it's as well product forms. Like in the past, our history was really, we were pretty much in a very narrow box, which was synthetic fiber insulation. So then you had puffy jackets with it, or you had maybe some gloves with it. And then we moved as well into new product forms. You know, we took our insulation, made it way thinner, so we moved into summer. Other applications are as well that we took the fibers out of our insulation. We made a yarn out of it, some of them with polyester, some of them with merino blends, for example. And then the yarn, of course, you can use for seamless knitting, which can be used then, for example, for socks, or you can use that as well for base layers. So we see a lot of customers using that as well. Of course, you can use a yarn then as well for any other applications, like for accessories, like hats, beanies, and so on. People cannot see our actual product unless it's like in a sock, for example. But normally we are in the sandwich between the outer fabric and the inner fabric. So I mean, all of our products, I mean, we are premium brand. On all of the garments you see our logos, you see our hang tags as well. So this is outside communication to the end consumer, to the retailer as well. But then as well, as you have seen as well for this fall, so in 4 weeks, we will launch to the end consumer as well our new branding, our new logo, which is not only a logo change, but this is really, as we are a single standing company since 2012 and now can invest much more into new product innovations, diversification of our products, this umbrella with more products. We need to communicate that, and you will see a new website, you will see new online tools. We are working with a lot of our partners as well on partnership marketing activities to launch their products into the retailers, so help them to sell the products in, because the retailers need to have the right arguments and to argue the benefits to the end consumer so that they can sell them the right products. Because all of our product innovation is really consumer centric and oriented for the end consumer. That we say, what is Tim and Susie doing outside there? And we want to guarantee their comfort so that they can enjoy and focus on their activity. And then of course we need to communicate that to the end consumer as well. So it's on the one hand side the push marketing via the brands to retail, to the end consumer, but as well attracting the end consumer as well, create awareness, create an object of desire, and really argue about the benefits of the products to them via all the channel of communication.